Hey guys, I'm back. Just from one video. Um, I think I'm making this video like a small tutorial video. Um, I made this video just for like people who are new to Blender and want to do some cool animations. Uh, it's gonna be if for you. Okay. So, if you want to do robotic animations, I could teach you. So that's cool. So first, load up any and like animatronics you want. Uh, for example, I have Freddy. I did Spring Bonnie, but I'm doing Freddy now. But here's the latest. So to get that, to get that bounce, if you want that bounce, so first you have to slightly turn his head, then go immediately, then just give it a little, go up it slightly, then a little slighter than that, and you'll get like a bounce. Uh, I'll do this with another animatronic. That's why you're understanding. Uh, a lot of people say to append, but for me, I just like open a new one because it's more faster and more efficient. I'm going with the animatronic. What's this guy? So some people do know like the shout out to Ubuntu and the people who made these models. I actually forgot the names. First, if you want, you can adjust the depth of field or your lighting. Let me just increase that. There you go. If you increase the depth of field, you do get like a lot of space to animate. Just set that up. Okay. This result. Okay. I'm just taking this as an example model. You can like take any model you want. Don't mind that. Don't mind the maximum. Just doing doing something else on the back. Uh, so yeah, just first set your model. After you like set it, I'm going with simple animation, not like too complex for some Blender beginners. I'm a Blender beginner myself, and I don't know. Uh, there's this account called BTB Animations. If you want to, you can check him out too. He also has some cool tutorials and models that you can use. Just set up. Okay, you ready? I think I'm gonna put that. It's just extreme good stuff. And then like jack stuff, it doesn't load fast. And then I think I just stay on. Okay, after you're done with all the setting stuff, uh, select the whole model by clicking A, okay, if you can understand, no problem. And click I, that will set one a position, like a position that like a permanent position for the animatronic. Um, I recommend starting it from 10 and start from the head. So as I said in the beginning, you have to do a slight turn like this. Then go 2 frames ahead, go full, then go 2 frames ahead, then go slide there, and go 2 frames ahead, then like that. So you get this. See, that there's a bounce. See the bounce. Oh wait, I think we should remove. So you want to go 20 frames ahead, like that. Go 2 frames ahead, turn like that. Do this, then like that. Okay, then you just make as. So yeah, that's how you get bounce, like a robotic animation. If you want more blender tutorials like this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.